Hello, and welcome back to Beautiful Rose Garden, a cozy corner where we share gentle, simple, and proven gardening tips, especially for those who love taking care of flowers at home. Today, I'll guide you through a very easy and natural way to grow roses from cuttings. You don't need any chemicals or fancy tools, just a few simple ingredients from your kitchen. Let's begin this peaceful gardening journey together. Step 1. Prepare the nutrient water from rice. Take about 2 tablespoons of white rice, put it in a small bowl or cup, then add around 100 milliliters of clean water. Let the rice soak for 20 to 30 minutes. As it soaks, the rice releases natural nutrients like vitamin B, amino acids, and starch, which help young roots grow and feed helpful microbes around the stem. And if you have questions or want to share your experience, I'd love to read your comments below. Step 2. Select and trim the rose cutting. Now let's prepare the rose cutting. Choose a healthy branch, about 15 to 20 centimeters long, with at least 3 leaf buds. Avoid any stems that look weak or have signs of pests. Gently trim off the lower leaves. This helps the branch keep moisture while it tries to grow new roots. I recommend doing this in spring or early fall, when the weather is cool and the air is a bit humid. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next calm and inspiring videos. Use sharp scissors and make a diagonal cut at the base of the stem. This gives the cutting more surface to absorb nutrients. Then, soak this cut end in clean water for 15 to 30 minutes to keep it fresh and reduce shock. Step 3. Make the natural rooting solution. Now we'll make our all-natural rooting mix. You'll need 3 cloves of garlic, peeled and crushed, 300 milliliters of clean water, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Garlic has natural antibacterial properties, and turmeric helps heal small cuts at the base of the stem. Stir everything together well. Then, mix this with the rice water you prepared earlier. This gentle solution helps protect your rose cutting from bacteria while boosting root growth, completely naturally. Step 4. Prepare the planting setup. We'll use a clear glass jar and a piece of clean green sponge. Make a small hole in the center of the sponge. Place the base of the rose stem gently into this hole. Now pour the garlic turmeric rice solution into the jar. The base of the stem should be submerged about 3 to 5 centimeters, just enough to soak up nutrients, but not too deep to cause rotting. Cover the top of the jar with a clear plastic bag and tape the edges. This creates a mini greenhouse, keeping the humidity high and stable. Place your jar in a cool place with soft indirect light. Avoid strong sunlight, which can damage the cutting early on. Step 5. Wait and watch. With a bit of care and a little patience, you'll soon see new shoots appear near the leaf buds, a sign that the plant is alive and starting to grow. Look through the glass jar and you might spot thin white roots gently stretching out into the water. Isn't it magical? All from a simple branch and a few natural ingredients. Step 6. Transfer to soil. Once the roots grow strong, it's time to move your little rose into a pot. Use a pot with good drainage and fill it with soft, rich soil. You can mix in compost, a bit of rice husk ash, or coconut fiber to help the soil stay loose and airy. After planting, water gently. Keep the pot in a shaded, calm spot for about a week, so the plant can adjust to its new home. From just a single rose cutting and a few gentle steps, you've given new life to something beautiful. And one day soon, you'll be rewarded with the soft blooms of roses you grew with your own hands. If you enjoyed this guide, please like the video, leave a kind comment, and subscribe to Beautiful Rose Garden for more peaceful, safe, and natural gardening moments. Thank you for being here. I'll see you in the next video. Bạn muốn mình chuyển nội dung này thành file văn bản, txt hoặc dx, hoặc thêm phụ đề song ngữ không?